I wanted this Frigidaire compact refrigerator in pink for my office craft room, and I really like it. I really enjoy it. So I had it for several weeks now, probably months. And the only thing I found difficult was to attach the handle, get it to snap in place on the door. So here's your door. You have compartments for cans and snacks. And this is your freezer space. And I have like frozen fruit in mine right now in little baggies for smoothies. And then you have your shelves. And then I'm just showing where I put some drinks in my fridge on the door and some snacks here on the little shelves. I also believe you can move the door to open left or right, and then also it has a bottle opener that you can also attach on the side. And I love this because I can hide all my snacks from my boys and drinks. You can check it out in my Amazon storefront below.
Dent, dent. There's another big dent. Goes on the side. Another huge dent right here. And on the side, another big dent. It's just dented up everywhere. It should have been brand new, not. Another big dent on the side. You can see there. Like, definitely have to be returned.